Hello guys, today I'll tell you about one extension in Visual Studio Code, and this is my new video, and in this I will tell you about Tabnine. Tabnine is an extension which is used in Visual Studio Code, and this is used to increase the velocity of writing code. First use case. Second, it improves the quality of code. Third, it gives kind of satisfaction to the developers as it generate or predict the code automatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it on in your coding purposes, and you can how you can download it. So you can go to extension part, search Tab9, hit enter, then Tab9 topmost extension which will come. Name Tab9 AI chat and autocomplete for JavaScript, Python, and many more languages. And you can install it from where I already installed it, so I don't need to do it again. So supported languages in this are C++, C Sharp, Python, Kotlin, Dart, SQL, Groovy, JavaScript, TypeScript, and many more. So you don't have to worry about the programming languages. It's supported mainly in every language. So as you install it, under extension part, one icon will pop up. You hit on it and tap on sign in, open. So now you can see it is showing me this interface. Before I already signed in to my Google interface, means you just have to sign in using your Google account, and automatically it will show you this interface. Now you have to copy this token and come to your Visual Studio Code, and now you have to do you have to type a shortcut Command Shift P in MacBook and Control Shift P in Windows, and you have to type tab9 and sign in. So as you hit enter, automatically this prompt will open and you have to just tap on sign in, and you have to copy that token which you have to paste that token which you copied earlier, hit enter, and again hit on tab 9 this icon. You will see it is now signed in, and you can use this extension. It is tab 9 starter. It is started. Now you can work with tab 9. How? Let's say I am taking a means this C++. I am working on C++. So how it works? The major question is how the working of tab9 is. So nothing in int main in this internal function, I hit enter and see. This is predicting variables. I hit so if you want to copy this code automatically, so just have to type tab. So as I hit tab, so my three variables are created in my memory, and I can use this control key. Okay, I can use this, so I can see now it is showing me, asking me to see out enter two integers num1 num2, then sin now I will take input those numbers. See, major use case of tab9. See, tab. Now if you are wondering that it won't work, let me show you. It also works. Enter two integers 2, then 3. It worked successfully. My code ran successfully. So this was basically a tutorial video for you all guys. Not a tutorial, it was just a video to show you how you can use this extension. And don't let don't you use this extension too much in your code writing, because it affects your logic building. So now that this much in this video. Thank you guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.